Do you want to buy crypto in Nigeria, or you don't want to go through a middle person? You want to be able to buy it for yourself? Then this video is for you. Hi, I want to show you how to buy crypto for yourself using your own money and using your own registered account. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to buy with Nigerian Naira, how to buy crypto, especially USDT, and how to transfer it into your Trust wallet, MetaMask, any wallet, so that you can use it to buy meme coins, invest in cryptocurrencies, as many as you want to do. Okay, explore the entire DeFi space. All right, so I want you to like this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and you can join my Telegram community, WhatsApp communities if you want to really enjoy the crypto space. You can join a lot of enthusiasts in the crypto space, and we are going to make money together. Now, I am not a financial advisor, but if you stick with me to the end of this video, you'll be able to do crypto for yourself without needing a middle person. I'll show you how to buy crypto with Naira if you're in Nigeria, and how to send it to your wallet, your private wallet, where you can also invest in other cryptocurrencies and make money for yourself. So don't forget, like, subscribe, turn notification bell, and stick with me to learn how to do this on your own. All right, now this is how it's going to be done. You're going to use Bybit. Now we're going to use Bybit on this. There are different exchanges you're going to start with. If you don't have a Bybit account, please go register. I'll leave the link in the description. Now on my Bybit, which is like everybody on when it's registered, I have zero funds. I don't have any money in it. So I'm going to show you how to buy for yourself. So I believe as you're watching this, you create a Bybit account. We'll go to the P2P section on your Bybit. Click on the P2P section. I have another video on how to create Bybit. It will pop up at the end of this video, or you can see it in the link description side of this. Now it's telling you that on the P2P, you need to notice is that people who are using PalmPay, if someone from PalmPay sends you money, the person can actually cancel that transaction. You will receive an alert, and the person can cancel that transaction. So whenever you are doing a P2P transaction or any transaction, just stay away from people who are using PalmPay. I don't know why PalmPay allowed such features. All right, so now we are going to set it so that we can buy. And now if you are buying or you're selling, you can just actually just and choose what you want to do. But this video, we are actually buying. So on the buying page, that's what we are going to do. We are going to filter what we want. So we'll go to amount. For this video, we are going to be putting 5,000 naira. Okay, you can do 50, 500,000 naira worth of crypto you want to buy, USDT. Okay, after that we'll go to all payment method. We are going to select all payment method and put bank transfer. Okay, you can actually choose any bank you want, but I'll choose bank transfer, which is any bank can go in with this. So once you do that bank transfer, you're going to click on this funnel at the top there. Yeah, click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to choose how you want it. I usually want to buy from verified advertiser, so you tick that, and you want to show advert and put 15 minutes. Okay, instead of waiting 30 minutes or so, just put 15 minutes and you click on that confirm. Okay, it will help you actually just know what you are buying, so you don't buy from fake people or scammers. You just buy from verified people. Buy bits as verified. Okay, now usually at the top is the when you are buying is the person offering the highest the best rate. You can see, okay, 5,000, and we're getting 3.3627 USDT. Now this is just for a video purpose. For you, you might be buying $10 worth of USDT. You see how much naira you're going to pay and what you're going to do. So once you are clarified that this is what you want, you click on the buy. Now once you click on buy, you see the name of the person you are going to pay to, the bank, which is Money Point, and you can see also the person's account number. It says the account number, that's the person's account number. And the person said once I pay, I should write goods. Okay, I should write goods as a description. Okay, so the person just know. Don't go and be putting crypto or for Bitcoin, for USDT. Okay, just write goods or you leave that place. Okay, so I'll copy the person's account number. I'll just click on it to copy. Then I am going to go to my Money Point account. I'll go to my money point, put the person's account number, confirm it, and the name. I'll go back to Bybit and confirm that I'm paying to the exact name. Okay, it's the exact name. Once it's the exact name, I go back to my money point and I confirm the transaction. Okay, I'll just confirm the transaction and do it. Okay, and I will screenshot this. Okay, I'll screenshot this as evidence that I've paid the person. As you can see, I'll click on payment completed. Whenever you pay somebody, make sure you go and click payment completed. That's the only way the person can release to you. Okay, I'll screenshot this and I'll send as proof to the person that I've paid the person. So when I'm going to put here, some people will not allow, will not bring pop up of this, but once you pay somebody, I click on completed payment, you drop the proof, just what you screenshot, and that's it. Completed payment. Now you now wait for the person to release. Once the person confirms that you have paid him or her, then the person is going to release the amount of crypto I bought. So I paid 5,000, I'll be getting 3 point something. Now mind you, I didn't tell you at the beginning, whenever you want to buy, check the charts before you pay. Check the charts, you see the terms and conditions of that person. Okay, you see the terms and conditions of that person. If it's somebody you don't want to trade with, then you just don't trade with the person. Read their terms and conditions. Okay, if the person is asking for money, don't trade with the person. It's asking you to pay extra money or so, don't trade the person. So after I pay the person, I go to the chat and I say, don't, please release, check and release. So I want the person to check their account. I've sent the exact money and I want the person to release. So the person has seen it, that's why it's marked good here, and I'll wait for the person to release for me. I'll just see it will pop up that said I've released, I've gotten what I paid money for. I'll wait for the person. I can send a reminder to the person, and or I just wait for the person. For once you've clicked completed payment, Bybit is going to now notify the person to release what you have paid the person for. Very simple. Now the person has released 3.36, which I bought for 5,000 naira. So you see, that's very simple to do this. Very simple. I've bought it. I'll just make the person okay, good. I'll leave a review for the person that this person is fast and reliable. Okay, it helps the person to also grow. So that's very simple, how to buy crypto in Nigeria for yourself. Okay, now you can see I have 3 point, which is about 5,000 naira worth of it. So you don't need to go through a middle person, you just need to do it by yourself. Very simple, guys. Stick with me with my other videos on how to open a Bybit account and how to make money in crypto. My name is always the Money Updates. Guys, don't forget, we have a community that we can make money together. Don't fail to join. I'll see you on my other videos. Let's get this money. All right, so like, subscribe, turn notification bell. And Bybit is a very wonderful exchange you should have. So I'll leave my link to register a Bybit account if you don't have.